Hey, good morning. Steve DiCecco here, on-site project manager at the Lodge of Historic Lewes. As you can see behind me here, we've got a lot completed since you've been last on site. Today's update is the first in 2023. We have nearly all the siding completed. Stonework is just about completed. Balcony railings are almost done, and a lot of interior finishes as well. Let's go on in and take a look. In the exterior envelope, we have the interior curbing completed and base paving coming in within the next week or two. So here we're at the independent living entrance, and you can see some of the interior finishes are being completed. A lot of the drywall is done, columns, a lot of shiplap going up. Now we're in the independent living lounge with the game room, fitness facility behind me, which are both taking place. To my right here is the lounge and bar area. Here is coming together, and a lot of the kitchen accessories being installed. We're on the third floor of phase one, one bedroom apartment, and we're actually in the punch list stage and waiting on the carpet and completing the finished coat of paint. So here we're actually in phase 5, first floor. This is the assisted living lobby. The majority of the trades are in this area. The MEPs, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, roughing out the HVAC, all the ductwork, insulation. We're trying to get the entire exterior walls insulated so we can get the temp heat in here as well. And here to conclude our update, we're actually here in the first half of phase 6, where a lot of the MEPs are still ongoing. Interior framing, insulation as well. In a month, you're going to see a lot of the same trades here in phase 6 and hopefully some exterior paving.